Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am going to be stuffing my cash envelopes and sinking funds for, let's see, this would be from Friday the 17th through whatever this next Thursday is. As usual, I have got my cash, I have my cash envelopes, I've got my sinking funds, and we're also going to be stuffing my savings challenge today with the money that was remaining from my paycheck. And I have cats that are grumbling today. Everybody's like really grumpy this morning. I've already spilled my coffee and I dumped over this whole tray or TV tray of all of my cash envelopes. Everything went to the floor. It's just been, everybody's having a morning in this house today. But like I said, I got paid yesterday, which was the 17th. And so today is the 18th, and I'm getting ready to stuff my envelopes. I do this once a week because I like to go grocery shopping once a week. I could do it every 2 weeks or even once a month, but I really enjoy getting out of the house and going to the grocery store. I don't get out very much, so once a week is what has been working well for me. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So for my cash envelopes and sinking funds, I have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 220. So $220. And this is all in $20 bills. You guys quit grumbling at each other. All right. Okay, first up is lawn care. And I'm actually not going to be stuffing this week. He hasn't come again. I still have $75 in here. It looks like a lot, but it's really just a bunch of 1s and 5s and 10s, all the smaller bills that I had. So this is for lawn care, and he should come, I'm going to guess probably this week or next week. There was really not a lot to do. He's already gotten rid of all the leaves. We have some branches, but not enough to warrant like a whole trip. So I don't know when I'll need to stuff this again, but I'm just going to wait until he comes and then I'll stuff it again. So nothing in lawn care. Groceries is going to get $100. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. I'm trying to lose weight, and I am starting a new way of eating. I'm doing some intermittent fasting, 16 hours fasting, 8 hours eating. So for me, that looks like 7 o'clock is my bedtime, and that's my cutoff window for eating. And then I fast for 16 hours. And so my first meal is like at 11 a.m., 12 p.m. And then I usually just have 2 meals and I'm full. And I don't feel the need to snack, which is really nice. I'm trying keto-ish, like high protein, moderate fat, and low carb to see how that works. So I am going to need some grocery items that I wouldn't ordinarily buy. Carol Ann's actually on board, which is really nice. We each have probably about 100 pounds to lose. So groceries is going to look a little bit different, but when I go grocery shopping a little later today, I'll definitely film it. So that's our grocery budget. Gas for my car is going to get $20. And I don't even need gas right now. It took $33 to fill up my tank. And so I don't need gas this week for sure. And I probably won't need gas next week, but I still have $20 to stuff next week. And that'll give me $40, which is a full tank of gas. And then I'll just let the money hang out in this envelope. until I need to fill up, and I won't stuff it again. So that is gas for my car. I have a 2014 Kia Soul. It is paid for. I paid cash for it. I don't have a payment. All I have is car maintenance, taxes and tags, and that good stuff. Okay, so first sinking fund we have is Fur Babies, and as of the last stuffing, we had $104, but I need to give $20 of this to Carol Ann. Chewy is doing a little bit better with his little behind issue, and she took him to the vet to get his little hiney looked at, and I need to give her $20. So I am going to be adding 20 today, which is still 104, but I want to make a note of her taking him to the vet. And let's see, she went on Wednesday, so Friday was the 17th, 16th, so that would be the 15th. She would have taken him, and that was $20. Oh, Simba. Sorry if the camera just moved. Simba's walking all over the place. All right, so 20, and then today I'm adding 20. So that would have been 84 and still 104. So I need to put this aside for Carol Ann, so I don't forget to give that to her. And the Fur Babies category is for vet visits. Their food and all of that kind of consumable stuff comes out of my grocery budget. So that's for Fur Babies. And then next we have car maintenance. And I had 140 as of the last stuffing. I am going to be adding 20 today, so that'll give me 160. And I'm going to need a oil change soon. Not yet, but soon. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60. I realize I didn't count that Fur Babies envelope, but trust me when I say $104 is in there. Okay, next up is gifts, and gifts is for Mother's Day, Father's Day, and birthdays. I had $70 as of the last stuffing, and I am adding 20 today. So that'll give me 90. And if I did mention, this is also for Christmas as well. So plus 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. And I've decided that for like the older kids, I'm just going to wish them a happy birthday. So like my nieces and nephews that are over the age of 18, I'm not going to be gifting. I'm going to save this for the little kids, for birthdays, and that way, you know, I'm not spending an arm and a leg on gift money. All right, next up is car insurance, and I did pay my car insurance. It was $500 and something. So I did take the $425 out of here, and actually the $425 that was here is what I'm stuffing in all my envelopes, because I used my debit card to pay my my insurance. So I paid this yesterday, which would have been the 17th, and then today I am adding 20. I don't even think I had this on the budget to add, but I'm going to add it anyway. So here's 20 for car insurance. My insurance was higher than I expected. It was like $500 and maybe $50 or something like that. All right, last and certainly not least is for my new grandbaby that is due in October. I am going to put aside $20. I don't yet have a tracker in here, so I need to go grab one out of the office. But baby B is gonna get $20 per week until the due date. I'll probably end up adding another envelope for the baby shower for food and decorations, but I don't have that in the budget right now. So that's it for cash envelopes and sinking funds. Now let's stuff my savings challenge. So this is everything that's left over from my paycheck that isn't earmarked for sinking funds and cash envelopes. I'll still have more to stuff because the likelihood of me spending 100% of my grocery budget is like slim and none. So I will have more money next week to add, but this is everything that was left over. So 20, 40, 60, 85. So $85 this week is a good chunk. And I did find out that we are getting a bonus this year, which is like fantastic. So I am looking forward to getting a bonus at work and putting 100% of that bonus towards my savings challenge. So math is hard at 5 a.m. So this is 10, 11, 6, 1. So 16, 19 if my math is correct. And we're gonna fold that up and put that in our mini envelope. I do have an Etsy shop if you guys are interested in purchasing envelopes. I have the mini envelopes for the 100 envelope challenge. I think I might have one set left that's listed. And then I do also carry the larger size, not this one, but this size in my Etsy shop as well. I'm going to be relisting, or not relisting, but updating my listings this morning. I've got a lot of sets that that I've had made for a long time. I just didn't list them because I was trying to sell what I already had listed so I wouldn't have more fees. But anyway, so that's it for this week. My savings challenge, I started on December the 16th, and in see, I had 8 weeks of stuffing, but I think it's been more than 8 weeks since then. But I've already saved $1,619 towards a down payment on a house. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.